हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, क्रैक ग्रेडबिक के ऑनलाइन लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म पे आपका स्वागत है। टुडे इन दिस वीडियो लेक्चर वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स and number of students used to ask from where they should cover the government schemes, specifically those students who were preparing uh, their self. So today in this video lecture we are going to discuss about the government schemes, and most of the students have myth in their mind that Vision IS is very helpful for the NABARD and RBI Grade B exam, specifically the government scheme document. So because few of earlier selected candidates have recommended this Vision IS, but I will say that Vision IS is not helpful for NABARD Grade A and RBI Grade B exam. If you want to be selected in these exams, then don't refer Vision IS schemes, because that is useful only for the UPSC exam, not for the NABARD and RBI. Because in UPSC, data-based or fact-based questions are being not asked. So in RBI and NABARD, that is completely reverse from that UPSC. So they usually questions from fact-based questions and data-based questions are being asked. So in this video we will do this analysis, and with proof we will do this analysis why Vision IS is not helpful for RBI grade and NABARD grade exam. So watch complete video if you want to prepare yourself. So it will help you that why we are recommending that Vision IS is not helpful. So these questions we have taken from the NABARD Grade A 2020 ESI paper. ESI paper, NABARD Grade A. NABARD exam 2020, phase 2 exam. So first question was post placement financial support for PMKVY, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, reimbursement of training center for placement. PMKY was launched under which mission? Skill India. So these three questions, 2 marks each. These were 2 marks, 2 marks, 2 marks. So let's go. This is a screenshot we have taken from the Vision IS 2020 schemes, because that now PMKY 3.0 is the third version of the PMKY. So you can see that if you have studied this document from Vision IS, this scheme, check any facts, any data is given here, so you will not be able to answer first question. Second question, 4 marks are lost. If you have studied from Vision IS, you can answer only Skill India. That is common. Every student can easily answer this one. So this was from our content. You can see for placement 20%. We have clearly mentioned outcome based on placement, and post placement support. You can see that 1450. This one you can easily see. So this is the difference between our content and that other content. So some students, those who were having myth that Vision IS is helpful. So first example we have given that 4 marks are lost if you have studied from the Vision IS. So next, these are taken from the RBI 2021 ESI phase 2. So scheme referred in the paragraph JNNURM, that was given in the paragraph. So you may be aware that JNNUR, Jawaharlal Nehru Urban Renewal Mission. This one, Jawaharlal Nehru National Urban Renewal Mission. So this was the previous scheme before the Amrut scheme, and then Amrut scheme was restructured. This one JNNURM was restructured to Amrut scheme. So if you know the history, then you can answer that. You can easily guess that scheme is the Amrut scheme. Second question is the following is not related to scheme referred in the paragraph. So it was in detail. 4 or 5 points were given. Then you have to answer. Next is SAAP stands for. So SAAP, you have to answer this, and referred scheme has been extended by how many years. So this is from the Vision IS. So you can see that You can answer this one. This has been extended by 2 more years. No history is given here. You can see anywhere no history is given. Some detail are given that you can answer. So any other things, no SWAP is mentioned in this document. So we can assume that you can answer this question and this question from the Vision IS. This JNNURM, no, you don't know about the history. If you have studied the Vision IS document, you cannot answer this question also SWAP. So 4 marks lost here. So how we have provided, you can see this one you can answer. Details we have given and history about details about the history of the scheme is given, that previously JNNURM was there, it was replaced by Amrut, and all details of the scheme we have given in depth, because question always being asked in depth, specifically in the phase 2. And this one you can see that SWAP we have clearly mentioned in the our scheme document, so you can easily answer all the question. So again we have given second example that why Vision IS will be not be helpful. You will lose the 4 marks here if those students who have prepared from the Vision IS, they will lose 4 marks here also. These are the real examples, because we have taken the question from the final exams. This scheme was asked in the RBI grade B 2021 exam. So more examples we will prove here. So more examples we are going to discuss, that these questions are being taken from the NABARD and RBI mixed questions. Like social audit at place level is done by this MG Narega. From MG Narega it was taken. So you can see this is MG Narega from, we have taken this we have taken from the Vision IS document. That social audit of MG Narega work is mandatory. It is written. Let me check more in detail. But it is not mentioned that who will do the social audit. So Gram Sabha at village level is this social audit is done by the Gram Sabha, so it is not mentioned in this. So this question was for 2 marks, so you have lost. So next question is day NRLM revolving fund maximum limit. So that is 15,000. So let's check. This one is from our content. So you can see that social audit is mandatory by Gram Sabha. You can easily answer. So next is day NRLM. This is from Vision IS. We have taken it. So let's check about the maximum limit of revolving fund. You can check if you can also check if some students will be there, those who want to check that again they want to confirm. So you can check from the Vision IS document. So this we have taken from the Vision IS document. You will see that revolving fund is mentioned, but no data is mentioned. So and this again, this one also from the Vision IS. This part of this DNRLM scheme only, and this one is from our content. You can see that we have mentioned all the data, all the important content, because few this Ministry of Rural Development schemes are very important for the NABARD specifically, and also for the RBI. So you can see it is revolving fund support to women as 10,000 to 15,000. So 15,000 is the maximum limit. So you can easily answer if you have studied from our content. So next question, PM Swanidhi wrong statement, that one statement was given that repayment is to be done in quarterly installments. So let's check from the Vision IS. Swanidhi scheme. This one is from Vision IS. So you can see that 10,000 rupees to street vendor for facilitating resumption of their livelihoods, but timely early payment at the rate 7% monthly cashback incentive. So you can see that, but nowhere it is mentioned how they will pay. Means monthly payment they will do, prepayment. So it is not there, but in our content we have already shared in the answers of these papers already provided at our social media platforms, so that was covered in our content. Next question: scale of loan under KCC is decided by. So this was also very important question. KCC is very important topic for NABARD also. So you can see that KCC from the Vision IS. So we can check. You can see in the detail who will decide the. You can see that nowhere it is mentioned, and it is from our content. Scale of finance for the crop as decided by the district level technical committee. So we have clearly mentioned. So you can see that this is the difference between the Vision IS and our content. And Vision IS is not helpful for these exams, specifically RBI NABARD. For UPSC, they are best content. JSSK was asked once. Sanjanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana was asked, but these are the old scheme, but these are not covered under the Vision IS content. Any IS content, they will not cover these old schemes. So it for these exams, specifically for RBI NABARD, some specific content is required that we are providing. So those students who are recommending you Vision IS, so we have proved that Vision IS is not at all useful, specifically government schemes document for these exams. So it will be better to prepare yourself from the relevant ministry, and most important schemes we have mentioned in our YouTube videos, that which ministries are very important. You can do analysis yourself that from which ministry schemes are being repeated. So for NABARD specifically, Ministry of Rural Development, very important scheme. Ministry of Rural Development schemes are very important. Ministry of Skill Development, Entrepreneurships, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of MSMEs, Agriculture, Farmer Welfare, Ministry of Fisheries, Dairying, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. So all this we have already specified in our video lectures, that is available on our social media platform. YouTube also we have uploaded. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can call us. And these are the courses we are providing. NABARD Grade A complete course that will include the MCQs, current affair, government scheme, everything we will cover. Yojana Kurukshetra magazine, MCQs, mock test also we will provide, but mock test we have not started yet. But we will start the mock test after the notification. Till now you can till then you can attempt MCQs. Also for grade B, 3499 is the cost of our content. It is the most economical and the best content and the most specific content. So you have to register at the website and can subscribe the courses. And these are our courses. So you can refer this video to your friends, those who are preparing for this exam. Please provide the feedback about our video lectures, and we will keep you guiding till the exam, and we will try to provide you the best guidance for this exam based on the real facts. So thank you and happy